The textile production stage. The conventional textile manufacturing process converts fibers into fabrics used to make home textiles, apparel, or technical textiles, among others. First, the fibers are converted into yarns by the spinning process. Then, the yarns are weaved or knitted to obtain raw fabrics. These fabrics cannot yet be used, so finishing processes are applied to them. Through the correct combination of the multiple variants of these processes, the desired fabric will be obtained. Fibers can have different origins. Natural fibers are the ones obtained from plants, animals or minerals, such as cotton or wool. Man-made fibers, which can be regenerated or synthetic. Regenerated fibers are manufactured using polymers from natural sources that have been dissolved, regenerated and converted into fibers again, for example, viscose or modal. Synthetic fibers are made from chemical synthesis, for example, polyester or polyamide. In order to obtain a man-made fiber, a chemical process is needed to transform the raw material into mono or multifilaments that can be cut into shorter staple fibers. Natural fibers are also staple fibers, except silk, so the process that they need to be converted into yarns is similar to the man-made staple fibers. Once the yarns are prepared, they must be interlaced in order to obtain a fabric. This can be done by using two main technologies. Weaving. This process uses a loom to interlace two sets of threads at right angles to each other, called warp and weft. Knitting. This process interlinks, or knot, a series of loops made by one continuous thread. Another technique to make fabrics is the non-woven process. Non-woven fabrics are manufactured by creating a web with fibers, and not yarns, and then consolidating it. A fabric finish is applied to a fabric once it has been made to improve its appearance, feel or other properties. Dyeing and printing give color to the fabric. Coating and laminating deposit a resin or a film and bond it on the fabric. Chemical finishings, such as bleaching or antibacterial, use chemicals to achieve a desired fabric property. Physical finishings, such as stabilizing or napping, achieve a specific characteristic through mechanical processes. A textile material must accomplish specific properties depending on their final use, so the processes chosen for each step in the production must be coherent with this use, which can include aesthetic, pragmatic, ethic and/or social considerations. This allows to manufacture a wide range of fabrics for a wide range of sectors, from fashion to agriculture, medical, architecture, etc.